Here is a new version for weight scale for 50 kilograms. I can adjust weight and some reserve. I can put tare to 0. Can calibrate. Sorry, I must push long. Calibrate. Must be free. Now put a kilo. Okay. I can start process to add some food or another things, and can stop manually, but start and force stop, and now control value, configure value, and here is a value for here is a C 2.1 and the reserve is 0.1. If relay, power relay, and weight is 2.0, stop relay because it's a mechanical delay, and this value must adjust for every case. This is